Good afternoon, everyone. I am Suzette Cantonos from F. Magallanes, Masbate City. Currently work at F. Magallanes Elementary School as Learning Support Aide. Our subject is modern trends and issues. Trends means focus on growing pattern and direction, while issues means more specific problems or challenges that require attention and resolution. I'm in group 7 with Ma'am Janet Ferolina. Our topic is all about online learning. Here's the objectives to our topic. First, to develop the quality of learning and teaching by online education. To focus on what they need to learn and how they can achieve it. Okay, what is online learning? Online learning is also referred to as e-learning, digital learning, or even sometimes virtual learning. Encompasses a broad spectrum of educational activities facilitated through digital technologies. Online learning is a form of education where instruction and learning take place over the internet and through digital learning tools or platforms like online learning platforms and learning management system or LMS. In other words, it is used interchangeably with other terms such as web-based learning, e-learning, computer-assisted instruction, and internet-based learning. Example of online learning are Google Classroom, Internet Forum, virtual learning, Zoom meeting, live webinar, online training, etc. Okay, in Google Classroom, use it to streamline assignments, boost collaboration, and foster communication. Okay, tulad ngayon sa ating online class, sa ating masteral, we use Google Classroom. Okay, there are the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. Okay, and the advantages of online learning are the following. Flexibility, online courses will allow students to learn at their own pace and schedule as they can access course materials and complete assignment whenever it is convenient for them. Okay, for example, kahit saan tayo makarating, kahit nasa vacation tayo, pwede po natin ma-access ang online. Panatilihin lang natin na mayroon tayong sapat na internet o maayos na internet connection. Okay, online courses are often less expensive than traditional in-person courses as there are no transportation or relocation costs. Okay. Makakalist po tayo sa ating pag-aaral sa through online learning because hindi na po natin kailangan pumunta ng paaralan, sasakay ng sasakyan, pamasahe, at saka yung lalo ng malalayo tayong, nasa malayo tayong lugar, okay? At hindi na natin kailangan mag-board o mag stay sa apartment. Okay, next, access to a wider range of courses. Students who live in rural areas or who have busy schedules may have limited access to certain courses or programs. Online learning allows students to take courses from anywhere in the world. Yan. Okay, kahit saang lugar man tayo, pwede rin tayong mag-aral kahit malayo po tayo. Yung like, nasa Mindanao ka, pwedeng mag-online, online learning. Ito talaga yung kaayusan ng online learning. Okay, kahit saang lugar pa tayo, pwede tayong mag-aral through online learning. Okay, next is self-paced learning. Online courses allow students to work at their own pace and spend as much time as they need on each lesson. Okay? Makakapag-aral pa rin po tayo with our own and you spend time as much as you can. Pero wag po naman natin sayangin ang oras na hindi po tayo makapag-aral. Okay, that are the advantages of online learning. Here are the disadvantages of online learning. Okay, first is lack of face-to-face interaction. Online courses that do not offer the same level of interaction in support as in-person courses. Okay, lack of face-to-face interaction, it means, okay, we don't know each other, okay. Second, limited access to resources, and person courses often have access to resources such as laboratories and studios that may not be available to online students. Okay, kung ano lang yung ating alam na access, yun lang. Kung hindi tayo makakakuha pa ng iba pang sources. Okay, next is technical difficulties. There is a rash of technical issues such as internet outage or computer problems that can disrupt learning. Okay. Tulad po ngayon sa ating lugar, technical difficulties is palagi po tayong brown out dito at maluya yung signal ng ating internet connection. Minsan, kung hindi pa tayo nakapag-charge, hindi po tayo attend ng online learning, online class. Okay, last, self-motivation. Online courses require a high level of self-motivation as there is no instructor present to provide structure and support. Yeah. It means sariling sikap, sariling gawa, sarili mong kaalaman. Okay. You need to motivate yourself to acquire knowledge without our structure providing support. Okay. Kailangan po nating maging resourceful. Okay po. That's all po my report. Thank you for listening.